money. Yes, we need money because of money. Yo, what's in my cup stays in my cup. Real explosion have their cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup, that's in my cup. My cup, hey, my cup. I put them one now in our cup. You can't tell them. Real explosion, make them know. Hey, I'm drinking. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. What do you drink, Real Explosion? I'm drinking. And Red Bull. Black, I you never know song, you know. Come in dance to those songs, Black. What do you do? Pull up that shoulder. Pull up. Never do that, scar one step. Step here. See the band step here. That's a car clean song. That's a car compound tour. Let me down now. We don't want turn the camera on. I've already gone. People don't even dance. Young and famous don't even dance them. Alright, them militia. Put on back my shoes and my socks them. And my foot smell kind of cheesy. Real explosion. People, let me tell you this now. Real explosion is a new sensation. Real explosion and the modest thing. Don't make nobody tell it differently, alright? Right now, real explosion are going to represent for the whole DMV. Matter of fact, we're going to represent for the whole world. Because we're going to broadcast all over the world. Real explosion. The new radio station. I don't know if it's a matching. You see me I say, some people, let them know it's all about this little device what them call crystal clear, right? That's what the thing called video to do device. Look how it looks simple. It's a one tree. It's a one tree thing, you know. You understand me? So people, check out the device. USB connection, earphone connection. You see that device there? I'm gonna make you listen to me. The one of the people in from Real Explosion Radio. Live. Any which part of it, you could have there Jamaica, you can't listen to it. Real big up yourself, because your invention, you set trend, you don't follow nobody trend. You understand? So people, remember, Real Explosion Radio, coming to you soon. Ricky Platinum endorsed it, Father Box endorsed it.
Pick up Real Explosion Radio, for real. #1 when we drop a road.
DJ Strong song, come sing something for the girl right now.
Yeah, DJ Strong songs, not DJ Wrong songs. Also AKA DJ Strong. Yeah, we gonna make numbers and it's gonna be changes. Nothing ever stays the same. And every single heartbeat, yeah, always seems to stay the same, yeah. DJ Wrong song trying to hold a beat. Hey, check it out. We're moving forward. back, we're moving forward. We're moving forward. Won't look back, no way.
Real explosion. Hyper draw near now. Hyper draw near now. Come know in a studio. Hyper. Well, hyper send for hyper. Cause hyper if I'm happy in dance. Real explosion radio. In dance with hyper.
I mean I say real explosion is gonna shoot out into the airways. Both video and on the radio. I want you to check it out. Once again, big up to all the Real Explosion staff and members. I want the fans them follow me on Facebook and Twitter. You understand? Throughout the streets we're gonna be interviewing a lot of people, artists that's coming into DC. We're gonna keep it in very professional. Alright? The website you can always log on to it. Don't know already to all kind of other sites, and you'll get to Real Explosion such as Ustream. You can log on to a Facebook page, click on the avatar and such forth. Right? You can also listen to us on 107.1, and that's Real Explosion. You don't know, say it's gonna be crazy, people. When the thing starts shut, I want to tell everybody about it. Alright? Big up Wayne, big up Nicky, the real sponsors to this thing, the owner, the vice president, the president of Real Explosion. Big up all the selectors that's coming into the staff and thing. You understand? Anyways, Real Explosion take a shot this year. But I can't explain myself. Big up yourself, Bianca. I look by right now, yeah? Big up yourself. Real Explosion inside the studio right now. Father Blocks, Ricky Platinum, DJ Strong. Yeah, big up yourself, everything alright. Big up yourself, Sexy Abby. Come on, so we want this up. It ain't nice studio, same way. Alright? Real Explosion every day, 7 days a week, 24 hours. Check out the radio station, it's gonna be crazy each and every day, and I want to listen to it.
Yo, stop that, Hyper, stop that. Breaking news. Vibes Cartel will be inside the Real Explosion via satellite, July the 3rd. So people, if you want to see Vibes Cartel and listen to Vibes Cartel live interview, log on to realexplosion.com, right? As I think realexplosion.com. Vibes Cartel will be live on the air. You understand what I say? So big up everybody who knows they're going to tune in. Real Explosion. Real Explosion. Remember that. What is it? Real Explosion. What is everything? Real Explosion. Real Explosion. Crosshanger. Mr. Rebel. Real Explosion. And the station for everybody. Not for the little girl them. Not for the young boy them. Not for the old man them. And the music for everybody. We have music for everybody. We have hip hop, soul. We even have gospel, reggae, dancehall, culture. We have everything on the radio station. And the only station where we're going to play everything. Everything just set like that. Big up to everybody who knows say you're going to listen to Real Explosion Radio. And hey, you don't say the thing mad enough. There's people that's look out for it. It's coming out in July sometime, right? And everything is good. Real Explosion, live in our studio and everything proper. Good.